Okay, another question. Next question of this exercise. Aravind has a kitty bank. This is different question. Okay. Aravind has a kitty bank. A kitty bank. That kitty bank is full of 1 rupee and 50 paisa coins. Okay. That kitty bank filled with 1 rupee and 50 paisa coins. Okay. It contains 3 times as many 50 paisa coins as 1 rupee coins. Okay, that mean for example that kitty bank has 4 1 rupee coins. 50 paisa coins are 4 times 5 3 times as 50 paisa coins. That mean 3 into 4 12 coins. For example 1 rupee coins are 5. 1 rupee coins are 5. How many 50 paisa coins are there? That means 3 into 5 15 is there. 15 is there. Okay, just like that. And the total amount of money in the bank is 35 rupees. Okay, that kitty bank contains 35 rupees filled with 1 rupee and 50 paisa coins. How many coins of kid are there in the bank? Okay, so how many individual coins? 1 rupee coins, how many? And how many coins, how many 50 paisa coins in that particular kitty bank? We have to find out both of them. Okay, how to solve? Very simple question, but listen carefully. Okay, do you know how many 1 rupee coins are there? We don't know. Do you know how many 50 paisa coins are there? We don't know. Let us take they are unknown quantities. Instead of such unknown quantities, you have to take some of the variables. Okay, instead of number of 1 rupee coins, let us take some variable like x. Here x also indicates one of the number, but that is unknown quantity. Okay, let us take number of 1 rupee coins b x. We don't know, that is unknown quantity. Let us take x. Okay, now number of 50 paisa. 50 paisa means half rupee, half okay, half of the rupee. So number of 50 paisa coins is equal to 3 times of 1 rupee coins. 3 times of 1 rupee coins. Here 1 rupee coins are x. It's 3 times means 3 into x. 3 into x. That means 3 times of 1 rupee coins. Here times indicates multiplication. 3 times of 1 rupee coins means x. 3 into x. 3x. Now we have to find their values. For example, in my pocket I have 5 1 rupee coins. Total amount equal to 5 rupees because 1 into 5 equal to 5. For example, I have 10 50 paisa coins. 50 paisa coins, how many? 10. Okay, so 1 rupee equal to 250 paisa coins. So totally I have 10 50 paisa coins. That means amount equal to how much? 10 rupees or 5 rupees? 5 rupees, because 1 rupee equal to 250 paisa coins. 10 50 paisa coins means 5 rupees. Totally in my pocket I have 10 rupees. 10 rupees. Okay, as well as you convert such numbers into values. Okay, value of 1 rupee coins. Okay, how many 1 rupee coins are there? X. Its value equal to, each coin value equal to 1 rupee. So 1 into x equal to x rupees. Rupees x. As well as value of 50 paisa. Now paisas converting into rupees. 50 paisa means half rupee. So value of 50 paisa coins. Okay, so 50 paisa means half rupee into x. That equal to, in conversion of rupees, x by 2. So 3x. So 3x by 2. 3x by 2. Okay, how many 50 paisa coins are there? 3x. Okay, the value is half rupee. 50 paisa means half of the rupee. So half into 3x equal to rupees 3x by 2. That means this paisa is converting into rupees. Okay, so value of rupees is x rupees. Value of 50 paisa coins is 3x by 2 rupees. Okay, their sum equal to how much? The total amount of money in the bank is how much? 35 rupees. It is filled with 1 rupee and 50 paisa coins. That means total amount is equal to how much? 35 rupees. Okay, that bank filled with 1 rupee and 50 paisa coins. That means the value of 1 rupee coins x plus the value of 50 paisa coins 3x by 2. The total amount equal to how much? 35. Okay, 1 rupee coins value plus 50 paisa coins value, total value equal to how much? 35 rupees. We got one simple equation. We have to solve it and you get the value of x. That x indicates number of rupees. Okay, using that number of rupees, so into 3 you get number of 50 paisa coins also. Okay, so we have to solve it. How? Very simple. Taking LCM, that means x means x by 1. X by 1, 1, 2, their LCM 2. Simply multiplying with 1, how much? 2, 2 the 2 into x, 2x. Simply multiplying with this denominator, 2 into x, 2x plus both denominators are same. You write that numerator as usual. That means 3x. That means 2, how much? 2, 1 ja. 1 into 3x, 3x equal to 34. 2x plus 3x equal to 5x by 2 equal to 34. What do you want? We want to find x value. So 5x equal to, here 2 is division quantity. Of transposition it becomes multiplication. So 35 into 2. Okay. Here 5 what? Here 5 operated multiplication with the x. That means 5 is multiplication quantity, product quantity. After transposition it becomes division. So x equal to 35 by 2 by 5. Okay, 5 1 ja, 5 7 ja. 7 2 ja how much? 40. So therefore x equal to 14. Here what is x? Here x indicates number of 1 rupee coins. Okay, therefore number of 1 rupee coins is equal to 14 and number of 50 paisa coins equal to 3x. That means 3 times of 1 rupee coins. 3 into 14. Okay, 14 3s are 42. Okay, so 14 3s are 42. That means 42 coins means how much? 21 rupees and 14 rupees. 21 plus 14 equal to, totally that value is 35 rupees. Okay, checking. Okay, so 1 rupee coins 14. The value is 14. 50 paisa coins, 50 paisa. How many? 42. That means converting into rupees. Okay, 1 rupee consists of 2 coins. So totally 42 means 42 by 2, 21 rupees. 21 plus 14 equal to 35 rupees. The total coins, the total value of the kitty bank equal to 35 rupees.